Now, how to revise prospectus from your GenZ notes, guys? This is the prospectus GenZ notes that we have. Same order what we did whole day. See if you're getting the clarity. Okay. 2 subsection 70 talks about prospectus is defined as anything which is described, document described and issued as prospectus, notice, circular, advertisement where you are getting offer from public and includes rendering prospectus, shelf prospectus. Exam oriented, what to remember. Repeat with me as loud as possible, just 5 minutes. Next we went to section 32 which talks about rendering prospectus. What is rendering prospectus? Where quantum of shares or price per share is not mentioned. What are important over here? File to ROC 3 days before opening of offer, and after closing of offer if there is any difference you will again file that to ROC. Next, the shelf prospectus. What are the key points? Shelf prospectus is valid for 1 year from the date of first offer. Then during that 1 year you can have any number of issues. For that you have to issue an information memorandum maximum 1 month before issue. At least 1 month is the wordings used. Then what will it contain? Material information, details of charges if any. Calls in advance is allowed, refund within 15 days if they ask for the same. Are you able to recollect the points, guys? Exam only this. Don't be like IO shelf prospectus, infrastructure company, metro. No. Exam only this. Next, we went to section 27 which talks about variation of terms of use object. For that 5 points. First, special resolution in postal ballot. Then explanatory statement, website, newspaper, exit opportunity to dissenting shareholders. You can see and tell, guys, exam is long way there. Next, 29 we saw is demat. In demat, all shares have to be in demat. If it's not in demat, you can't issue. No rights, no bonus, no buyback. Yearly, you have to pay fees to depository. Security deposit should be given for 2 years. PAS 6 should be filed within 60 days of end of the half year to ROC. Who will sign? CA or CS. Reconciliation, grievances. Are you able to follow, guys? Are you able to recollect all the points? Next, 39 we saw allotment of shares. Here, minimum subscription 90%. Minimum application value 5%. Now, 5% of nominal value. Correct. Money should come only in banking modes. Subscription should be received within 30. No. Okay, see, so RHP is filed before 3 days that we saw in different provision. From date of filing prospectus, you receive money within 30 days. Once offer is closed, if money is received less than 90%, it should be refunded within 15 days with interest of 15% from the 16th day. Next, if money is received more than 100% also, the excess should be refunded within 15 days. That 100% you should allot within 30 days. Are you able to remember all of this, guys? Okay. Next, section 40, application to be dealt with stock exchange and underwriting. First, you make application to stock exchange. If they don't give approval, money has to be refunded. Can you have any complaints or any complaints waived saying no, I will not follow? No, such provisions are void. Then prospectus should have the name of the recognized stock exchange. Then that money should be kept in separate bank account. If I apply for 3 stock exchange, you need to get approval of all the stock exchange. Any one doesn't give, full allotment is void. Underwriting, only 3 points. Shares, percentages, 5% or AOA, whichever is less. Debentures, 2% of AOA, whichever is less. For paying underwriting commission, I can use profits or proceeds from issue. Online, I want you to repeat with me, guys. Keep repeating. Prospectus should also contain name of the underwriter. For underwriting, what should authorize? Articles. AOA should authorize. Then we went to lunch. Then we came back from lunch. Then we saw criminal and civil liability. 34 is criminal liability. 35 civil liability. 36 class action suit. 37 is class action suit. 36 is personalization. 34 is simple criminal liability. If there's any misleading statement or any omission which is material, you are liable under section 447. If it's immaterial, defense if it's immaterial or you believed it to be true. You thought that immaterial thing is the material thing which was lied. You thought it was believed to be true. 37 is simple. All persons who authorized issue are liable to the person who suffered loss. If fraud is involved, liability is unlimited. 37 also has a few defenses. In simple, you did not know about it. You thought it was true. Once you knew about it, you took effort to withdraw your consent. If you knew about it after prospectus is issued, now you gave public notice. That's it. This is 35. 37 is what? Class action suit, nothing great. In 36, we just have 3 cases where if you are giving wrong information, deceitful information, concealment, liable under 447. What are those 3 things? 3 examples. Underwriting commission, then profit from sale of shares price fluctuations, and obtaining credit facility from bank, giving wrong information and obtaining. 36 is done. Then again, last 2 sections, 25 and 28. 25 is deem prospectus, where a company is giving shares to allottee, through allottee giving shares to public. Such an agreement is called deem prospectus if 2 conditions are met. The allottee is giving shares to public within 6 months, or allottee has not paid full consideration to the company. Super. Offer for sale, nothing great. Existing shareholders of company selling shares to the new shareholders. For that, some provisions like 3940, 90%, 5%, allotment, application to stock exchange, underwriting, all these are not applicable. Some other provisions like 26, contents of prospectus, 34, 35, 36, 37, criminal, civil liability, punishment and class action suit are applicable. Any expense incurred should be reimbursed. That's it. Are you able to follow, guys? Perfect. Okay. Yeah, clap. Okay. That's it. So what is left at this point in this chapter is basically private placement under section 42 and few not there sections which I told, 24, 30, 33, 38, 41, which we will do tomorrow later. These are all private placement important. Those 5 sections, 5 minutes. That's it. Thank you guys. See you after the break.